So I got these air horns for 17 bucks from Harbor Freight, and I was thoroughly disappointed when I tried it out. But I'll show you how to fix it. This is what it sounds when you get it. Terrible. Alright. So for this project you need some wire, some Harbor Freight crimpers, I recommend, some wire strippers, and a female spade connector. Okay, so I don't have a special double spade connector, and that one's already maxed out in size. So I just kind of shoved the wire through the little hole on the male spade. And then, see that little connection there? That's a connection for the for a custom tone. And you don't want to connect this directly to a battery source because yeah, it started smoking. I just did that for a moment. So this will be powered only when it's getting power from the relay. All right, now I'll show you how it sounds like. Behold. Hell yeah. That's all it takes. Yeah, it gets a little warm, but there we go.